Hello, yet the 10 largest insurance companies offer varied rates, customer claim experience, and future. For shoppers looking for cheap rates, we always recommend comparing quotes from multiple insurers to find the best price in US. Below we list the top 10 biggest insurers in the US and provides more detail regarding what you should know about each of them. First is State Farm. State Farm is a great auto insurance company for anyone who wants to local agent personalized experience and cheaper than average rates of the US. State Farm is the largest auto insurance company in US and processes 16 of the total available market shares. Over 15% of dollars spent on private passenger auto premium in the US and paid to state farms. Among the largest widely available car insurance in the list, State Farm offered the cheapest car insurance rate in most part of the US. You can take it. Second is Geisha. We consider Geisha to be one of the best auto insurance companies. Geisha offers low rates, national availability, and an easy shopping experience. Geisha's original customer base consists of US government employees and military personnel. Today, insurance company's customer base has expanded to include people in the private sector. According to our research of the largest auto insurance carriers, Casio is the best insurer for the US. And the third is Progressive. Progressive offers especially competitive rates to drivers with previous accident. However, claim satisfaction rating and coverage options are average. Progressive, the third biggest insurance company in the country, was established in 1937. The company offers the ability to purchase auto insurance person online or by phone. Alternatively, customer can sign up through an independent insurance agent. The company employs more than 35,000 people and has over 400 offices. Progressive is a publicly traded company. Fifth is Allstate. Allstate typically has better than average claim satisfaction rating but higher rate. However, the insurer offers a variety of discounts that can make policies more affordable for the customers. Established in 1931, Allstate is the second largest publicly traded property and casualty insurance company in America. Similarly, the State Farm Allstate has a roster of local agents ready to serve your need. The company currently employs more than 46,000 people. Insura, a subsidiary of Allstate, operate in the same space. According to Allstate, the Insure brand targets self-direct of and brand-sensitive customers. While Allstate is geared toward customers who enjoy local and personal services, in the list of the biggest car insurance companies, Allstate is our pick of the best customer services. And the fifth is USA. USA is one of the best auto insurance in the country. If you meet their qualification criteria, you will enjoy extremely competitive rates, great customer service, and speedy claim response. The only downside in USAA is restricted membership. USAA was founded by 25th Army officers who decided to insure each other's vehicle in 1922. Today, the company serves millions of members associated with the U.S. military, including current, the former service member, family or service member, and cadet midshipmen. USS is a headquartered in San Antonio. The corporate campus length extends 3/4 of the miles. USAA is the largest private company located in San Antonio. Six is Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual rates vary by location more than the typical insurer, and customers rank the company's claim satisfaction process as below average. Liberty Mutual is the one of largest insurance company the USA and been around for over 100 years, including a large international presence with operation in 17 countries. The international company sells property, casualty, health and life insurance policies. Liberty Mutual's auto insurance offering can be accessed via its call center websites, a local Liberty Mutual agent or broker, and representative from its network of original subsidiaries. One thing is note about Liberty Mutual coverage is that rating are graduated to 4 years. The seventh is Farmers Insurance. Farmer offers decent discounts, coverage option, a great customer service. However, farmers' non-competitive rates may be cost prohibitive for some shoppers. Farmer began an insurance company providing coverage to farmers' vehicles. Since then, it has evolved to become the seventh largest insurance company in the country. It's hard to find an insurance company that offers more products than Farmer. It offers basic auto insurance, pet insurance, and even investment products among the variety of their insurance products. Farmers employs near 13,000 people, underwriting more than 19 million policies across 50 states. And the eighth is Nationwide Insurance. Nationwide is below average for affordability, and its customer review tend to veer negative. Nationwide offers standard coverage and discounts you would expect from a large national insurer. Nationwide does business across several verticals, including financial service, commercial lines, and personal lines. In all 50 US states, Nationwide has contributed more than $430 million to non-profit organizations since 2000. Nationwide has a motto called "On Your Side" that influences how auto insurance claims are handled and how policies premiums are determined. The company also recommends getting an annual checkup to ensure policy holders. And ninth is American Family Insurance. American Family is an solid choice for auto insurance. The company offers decent rate which has the potential to be great with policyholder utilize some of its many discounts. American Family was established with the initial goals of insuring farmers. In the 1930s, the company expanded the begin and focused on insuring non-farmers as well. Today, Best Company is one of the biggest insurance company in the US and the largest insurer by market share and the state of Wisconsin. The company is known for its extensive discounts catalogs that can make its already decent rates even more affordable for customers. However, American Family currently underwrites policies in just 17 states. 10th is Traveler Insurance. Moderate complaints rating and a variety of discounts make travelers a good choice for auto insurance coverage. Traveler is more than 16 years old, making it one of the oldest insurance companies operating today. In fact, Travelers issued its first auto insurance policy in 1897 before the Ford Model T was invented. Notable Travelers offer a rate for a pricing program known as initially driving, which determines your rates by assessing your safe driving behavior via a smartphone app. Enrolling in Telling Drive can potentially reduce your annual insurance rating by as much 20% if you exhibit good drive habits. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye bye.